All right, Scotty, how are things over here in the land of the Corvette? I know earlier you were starting to work on the harness.
Yeah, well, we've got, I don't know if you can see.
I'm getting down here. It's taking a second.
I've got the fuse block in place.
Ooh, yeah.
Everything's routed above the column. So I'm just routing the other wire, which I wasn't paying attention because I'm stupid.
Oh.
And didn't put it above like I'm supposed to. So now I've got to do one of these numbers and wiggle it past and through where it needs to be.
Get it around where you got to go.
So, and then get the other lines routed. Because here's our light for here. So I'm just trying to make sure that what I remember off the top of my head without having to look at a book is correct.
Gotcha.
And then we got our
stuff.
Other lines that are running in. I mean, everything's pretty much ready to go type deal. It's just getting it there is the issue.
Not the funnest of things.
Yeah. Well, I got to get the boss to get the gauges ready.
Yep, I know. I got to do that. I know.
I can get that together. And we spoke to the owner of the car. He has the key.
Yeah, Mo's bringing us key in the morning.
So I can take this out finally. Get the new one in.
Put the new switch in down there.
Get this back together. And pretty much be good as gold. And then it's just... Actually, we're
getting
on the home stretch.
Kind of.
Like,
sort of.
Legitimately.
Yeah.
Oh, tires showed up today. We got to show the tires.
Oh, yes.
We got to show. Well, real quick. We're just routing the last bit of the wiring for the inside.
For now.
Here is the stereo, which I felt like doing something different, so I braided it. I know, fucking gay people are weird.
What the hell?
So that's out of my way. Just kind of chasing everything down, getting everything where it needs to be, type deal, and just kind of placing it so that I know, okay, I've got this to work with here.
Getting stuff in the ballpark of where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, and then once the gauges and everything are done and I have those here, I can go, okay. Oh, and he brought us speakers. Did we show the speakers?
Yes, we talked about speakers.
Okay, so speakers. And then we'll get this side of the dash bolted up and in place. And we can start doing the bracketing for the air conditioning.
Ooh, yeah.
Sweet. So we're getting
nice.
there. We're slowly but surely we're getting there. It's just I want it right. We spent some time with the customer today and kind of really went over everything. And once he actually saw what was really going on and went, okay, no, we're good. He knew he wasn't getting it by the 31st. Oh, wait, it passed.
Yeah, that was the other day.
Yeah, but I mean, he realized, it's not that we're trying to run him for money or anything like that. It's just we want it right. And it's going to take time to do it, to his standards. His standards are just as high as ours.
It's looking good. We'll go do some tires.
Yep.
And the other boxes that showed up for this.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, there's more stuff.
Yes, sir.
We got tires for the vet. Bam. Bam. Gonna be good. Gonna be good.